Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. Today I'm gonna do a 3-look using a palette, and the palette I'm using today is my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. And before we get into the video, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'll put out videos all the time, so subscribe. But now let's get into the video. I was not planning to do a 3 looks using this palette just because this palette is the most hyped out there. This and the Modern Renaissance. Hello, I mean, everyone has done videos on it, everyone has been reviewing it, everyone has trashed it, everyone has hyped it, you know. But in my last 3 looks using a palette with the Soft as Nail palette, actually, I got some comments and I asked, was it Cindy? No, it was Crystal who asked for this. I think it was because she saw it in my background and she has this palette. So I said, of course, I will do 3 looks using this palette. And you know that I always try to do one natural look, but I didn't with this palette, since I think that a lot of people has done a natural look with this palette, since we have all of these warm tones and natural shades, and we have a little piece of pop in the corner, pop of colors in the corner, I mean. So I figured that, you know what, no, I'm not gonna do that. And I also have some other videos where I have used this palette, so I will link them down below. You can check out multiple other tutorials that I have done with this palette, so check my description box. I know that the first video I did a very rosy, toned down look. I tried to do a colorful look, and then I did a grungy look, and then I did this look, obviously, which is a colorful look. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear when you guys are asking me to review something or asking me to do a video on a palette. So for next palette, if you have a suggestion, let me know and I will definitely do that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're starting off the first makeup look, and I actually had this makeup look in some videos and you guys seem to love it. I did not expect that. Some of you actually asked me like, are a tutorial on this look coming? And yeah, I don't know, I did not expect that, but I think it's because I paired it with a quite weird lipstick, so that might be it. But I did use the shade Pooter as my transition shade. And I know that you couldn't see the shade that I was using right now because it was out of frame. This palette is so big, so it's kind of hard to stay in frame. But the shade that I use is Chip. It's just the chocolatey brown shade, which I thought was quite weird. Or it wasn't weird, but it was hard to work with. I do struggle with 1 or 2 dark brown shades, but overall I think that this palette is very good. I do have some problems with some of the shimmers. They are not really my favorites, but they definitely work. Which shade did I take now? Yeah, it was Soda Pop. I don't know why this is called Soda Pop. Maybe Jaclyn has explained it. I don't know. I don't remember shade names, but I just wanted to take this look to darken my outer corner because I wanted to go in with the blue shade. So I thought that that is quite a dark blue shade. It's not as light, especially not when you swatch it, and I can say that the blue shade is not that great. I'm sorry, but it's a weird shade. It's super duper dry. It's not that metallic. I didn't foil it here, but I did foil it later, and even when I do foil it, it's not that good. I think that all of the other shimmer shades are much, much better, but there was something with this blue that, I don't know, maybe Jaclyn has said something about it, that she likes it that way, I don't know, but I don't like that blue shade, so I'm sorry. And that blue shade is, by the way, called Twerk, and now I'm going in with Pool Party. I am talking too much, I'm so sorry, but I think I'm gonna take the shade Soda Pop on my lower lash line, and then I think I'm gonna take the shade Obsessed in my inner corner, and then this look is done. I'm just blending everything now to make everything go together and to make everything like seamless. I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing So this is the second look I'm doing, and this is my grungy look. I don't remember if I went in with this shade on a wet base or not. I'm so sorry, but I don't remember. But I'm going in with the black shade, and it's called Abyss. I think so. Abyss. I don't know. But I'm just placing this so I look like a panda, and then I'm blending, and this look is actually all about blending, 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 blending. You will see me blend a lot, but I am also going in, because I love the contrast between like black and red. I think that that is very, very beautiful. So I'm actually going in with my transition after I went in with the black. I know that's not the rules, but a lot of people actually do it, so it's not a big deal. But the shade Hunts is really, really beautiful. It's like an orangey red. It's like a mustardy red. I don't know, but it's, yeah, it's very, very beautiful. And I'm going in with this shade on top, and then I'm just blending. And then I'm going in with a, this is not a clean brush, but I will go in with a clean brush in just a minute.
What to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous.
As you could see, I just added a little bit more of that black shade because it felt like it wasn't as opaque as I wanted to. It felt like I had blended everything away. But I'm just going in with the shade, no, I'm going in with the brush from Morphe, which is M139. It's very, very tapered, so once you put it in your crease, it kind of just blends in your crease. It doesn't blend the shades outside your crease, it just blends everything where you want it, if that makes any sense. I'm taking the shade Abyss under my eyes, and then I'm taking the shade Hunts as well to smoke everything out and to make the look go well together. And then I'm taking the shade Faint. I just love mixing pinks and reds. I think that that is very beautiful, and it's not too extreme. Going with a gold or a white or a silver or whatever you want, if you feel that that is looking better, that's totally fine. But that completes the second look. What is MeFo? MFEO. I don't know, but that's the shade that I'm using today. I haven't even noticed that. MFEO. I don't know, but that's my transition shade in a way. After that, I'm gonna take the shade Buns, which is just the shade 2. I'm just gonna use it to darken up everything, and then I'm gonna go into the shade Yada, which is a very like turquoisey, beautiful shade, and I'm just packing that in my outer corner and then blending it towards my crease. To be honest, you don't even have to use the shade Buns. You don't even have to use the shade MFEO if you don't want to. You can go in with the shade Yada directly, and smoke everything out. That will be your transition shade as well. Do you know what I mean? You can see here that I'm just placing the shades, and if you are very good, or if you have a very good technique, you don't even have to use a transition shade.
We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got.
I don't want that harsh line between the shade Pool Party and Yada, so I'm actually going in with the shade Diva, which is a little bit more green, but you can see that it matches very well with the shade Yada. So I'm starting with the shade Diva, and then I'm taking Pool Party in my like inner corner and the rest of my lid. And Pool Party is so beautiful. I didn't even have to wet my brush, I didn't have to foil it or anything, so I was super surprised about that. That is definitely the best shimmer when it comes to the colorful shimmers. To make this look a little bit more cohesive, I'm gonna take the shade Enchanted under my eyes. It's like a foresty green, and if you smoke it out, it will go very well together with this look. And I'm also going to take in my like inner corner on my bottom lashes, I'm gonna take the shade Twerk just on a small brush and just place it together. I thought that was a very cute detail actually, so you don't have to do it, but I really like to play with my bottom lash row, bottom under eye as well. I like that. I think it's very nice. But I'm gonna take the shade Obsessed then and put it in my inner corner. You do have a lot of like inner corner highlights and brow bone highlights, so that is something to keep in mind. But this look is then completed as well, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give me video ideas on which palette you want me to use next, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!